Good morning everyone. Today we will make paper bag. So material required is any color paper sheet. I take printed one. You can take any one whichever you have at home. You can take newspaper, you can color chart, pastel sheet, anything of half size. Now we need this thing, origami paper. You can take any pastel sheet or any color chart. For this we need a square, eraser, pencil, cutter, Fevicol, scissor and a small piece of a ribbon. Fold like this from both sides. Now we have to cut this from here, from these two lines. See, now we have to cut it in the oval shape. See, like this we have to draw the shape of semicircle. See, cut these two lines, not from the edges. See how I am doing it. We have to leave this much part in the end. We are making paper gift bag. Now put Fevicol, hold it to paste it. After this we have to cut strip of this shape. We have to make a like this. See, now we have to cut it on the pencil line. We need 2 bows, so you have to make it. Now start making bag. Take half size of a sheet, as I told you. We have to fold it like this. This is our center part. You can see this is our center line. We have to fold till our center line, little bit. Fold it. Now we have to fold other part. It should be overlap the below sheet. Now we have to paste this part on each other. Now fold it. After folding you have to fold from the edges, corners. Now we have to fold first strip like this and second strip like this, and it should be overlap bottom one. Now we have to paste it. Put Fevicol here, this center line very tightly, forcefully, and this line also. Now open this. From the center line we have to fold it. Like this, and this was our side line, and this is our center line, and this is side line. Now we have to fold it from the center line. After this we have to fold it from the side line. See, our bottom area, one side and other side is ready. After this, now we have to make fan, Chinese fan. We have to fold it around ½ inch from thing. I'm using cutter to fold it. I'm making 2 fold this side and 2 fold this side. You can see 2 fold this side and 2 fold this side. If you want to make more, then you have to fold it one more time. And press it very forcefully, so that I can take help of any sharp thing, or you can use punch also. Just make a little bit point here with the help of cutter, and use pencil to make a hole. See how I'm doing it? This much we here. This much have we required. We have to tie knot. And the other side also, put it here also. See children, our gift paper bag is from the sides, from the other part. It can be closed with ribbon. If you want to if you don't want to put ribbon, you can punch it with the stapler. I put ribbon so that we can open it easily. You can decorate with more things like flowers and leaves, and you can use glitter sheet. And children, please don't buy anything from market. Whichever thing you have at home, like newspaper, color sheet, color chart, pastel, just use it. Okay, so students, I hope you like it. Gift paper bag. So make it same. Show your creativity. Bye. Take care of yourself.